Hi friends, welcome to another cleaning video. This one is going to be cleaning up the day after Easter. Basically cleaning up the Easter aftermath of all of everything that's all over the place, all over the house. Like I said in my previous video, we do Easter at my house. So my house gets kind of messy and torn up a bit. So I'm going to set up my tripod and we are going to get to work because my house needs it. Like always, I like to start out by doing my dishes. This video is going to be mostly music, so I hope you guys enjoy. And then also I hope you all had a fantastic Easter yesterday. You're about to see Sean pop in. And now I'm going to use my Method dish soap in the scent Clementine to clean out my sink. And now I'm going to use my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the scent Mint to clean around my sink. And I'm going to use my Grove Collaborative microfiber cloth. I have to use my gloves when I use microfiber cloths because I have very, very dry skin and it just clings onto my skin and it's very, very uncomfortable. So I like to use gloves when I'm using microfiber cloths. All shiny and new again. Now to take these dirty washcloths into the laundry room. Now I'm going to put the crock pot to the side because the stuff for the crock pot is being washed in the dishwasher right now. I'll be doing a video very soon with this silverware organizer. I cannot wait to switch them out. Time to put the Easter decorations away. No, no. No, no. One of my subscribers did warn me that this would happen. Now I'm going to use the basil scent from Mrs. Meyer's to clean my stovetop and my countertops. And you're about to see Sean again. There he is. And there he is again. Time to take out the garbage from Easter. And recycling too. Now I'm going to use my new Shark Rocket vacuum to vacuum up any crumbs that was left over from our Easter celebration. And then I'm also going to use my brand new Cedar spin mop. I really like this, you guys. I'm really glad I purchased it. I think it was $33.99. I got it from Walmart and I really like it. Now moving on to the dining room. Gotta put all of this stuff away now. Now I'm gonna put the extra styrofoam cups into our party supply box. And time to put our extra paper plates in the party supply box as well. And now I'm going to put all of our Easter decorations in our Easter box. And this Dermasil lotion, you guys, I just showed you is amazing. I got it from the Dollar Tree and it works fantastic. I love this flower arrangement that my Aunt Judy brought me yesterday for Easter. I think it's just so beautiful. She made this herself. It is totally my style, the whole farmhouse style. I love it so much and it makes my house smell amazing. And now I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in mint for my dining table. I seriously have the biggest dining room table ever. It's huge. love this wicker basket I use for my napkins. I got it from that moving sale from the lady that lives across the street from me, or that used to live across the street from me. I got it for like 25 cents, I believe, and I love it. And now my awesome son, Sean, is going to clean up after himself, all of his Easter stuff. He's going to put it away in his room. Sorry about that bright glare from the window, you guys. Cleaning up with toddlers. It is not an easy task. You guys are just about to see what I mean. And now I'm going to use that mint spray again. And now to clean my bathroom. Seriously, Riley's whiteboard is found everywhere in my house, even the bathroom. And I'm using the Waterfall Scent Mrs. Meyer's Glass and Surface Spray for my mirrors. And I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Mint Scent in the bathroom for the countertops and the sink. Now my bathroom looks so much better. Phew, that was a lot of work. I hope I motivated you guys to, what's up with that? To get to cleaning your house too. And thank you for coming along with me while I did a quick after Easter spring clean my whole house. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have not yet, and click on that bell so you don't miss out on any more of the fun. Alright guys, thanks for watching.